monster.
There we go. Beautiful Manitoba catfish. That's how she's done. There you go.
That's how we do it. Another beautiful
Manitoba channel catfish caught right here outside of Rockport, Manitoba. How's she feel? How's she feel? She's coming in. She's a...
I got it. You got it?
A catfish right here. Massive. All right, we got a second one. Okay, oh, not quite as big, but taking big runs. The fire zone where the fish might come flying up. All right, two beautiful catfish. All right, here she comes, here she comes, here she comes. Woo! Another sexy Manitoba channel catfish. Albino too. Look at that color on her. It's the one we've been waiting for here.
That's the real question.
Oh!
After. Nope. Got off, right?
Sometimes how she happens there. Fish to the tally here. This one's pull and drag. Hey. Oh. Oh. She's a fat one. But the that is the Manitoba Master Angler Channel Catfish. All right, got some pics done. Beautiful, beautiful Master Angler Channel Catfish. Caught right here, Lockport, Manitoba. Let's put her back. Kerplunk.
Oh yeah, but it does hurt your wrist after a while. Yeah. Oh, she's a monster. Another monster.
Here we go. Beautiful Manitoba catfish.